video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can transfer your Canva creations into another team. And what I mean by another team in our case here is into another school. So if you have been in middle school and then have moved to high school or elementary school to middle school, you're going to have access to more than one Canva team. So what I mean by that is if you come down to the lower left-hand corner of your screen, you will see here your initials and the school that you are working in. So if I click on this, you can see here right now I am working in the Limerick North Middle team. If I have created something and I am now in high school and I need to share it with my high school teachers, what you need to do is copy the design over to your high school team. So what you're going to do is right now we're still on the North team. We're going to come ahead to one of the designs that we want to bring over to the high school team so we can share it with our teacher. You're going to click on the three dots in the upper right hand corner. When you do that, you're going to get this menu and you're going to select copy to another team. So any teams that are available to you will show up here. So now we want to switch this over to the high school. And then we're going to click on copy. So this will leave a copy where it is in your middle school team, but now we're going to have a second copy of it here. And this is primarily for the purpose of sharing it with your teacher. So now that I've done that, I'm going to switch my Canva team over. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that icon at the bottom again, and I'm going to switch over to the high school. And I'm going to go over to my projects. And you may have to wait for it to show up a little bit. You can refresh your screen and you can see here now it has showed up under my projects and I am in the high school team. So now that it's in the correct team, I'm able to share this with my high school teacher. So I can go over to share and then I can type in the name of my teacher by last name, first name. It'll start to populate automatically. So if I want to share this with Miss Sanders, I can see it here and I can just click on this and then I can click share. In the future, if you want to make sure that you don't have to do this step to copy things over, and every time you log into Canva, just make sure you are showing the correct school where you want the design to be so that you can share it with your teachers.